Hey divine folks, let's check what does this Feb month hold for you. Okay, how is this Feb gonna be? Please choose a pile which calls out to you intuitively, and then we'll check what are the cards and the predictions for this Feb month of yours. The timestamps are in the description column below. Yes, you can pause the video and choose a pile which calls out to you intuitively. Hey pile 1, if you have chosen this beautiful mosaic gate, let's check what does this Feb month hold for you, okay? So, looking at the cards, I feel like this Feb month, some of you guys might be very dreamy, okay, like in their own dreamland. But I'm seeing some of you guys preparing for some exams or focusing on their studies or something major gonna come up. You know, concentrating, trying really hard to focus but unable to do it. So you're asked to, calm down a little. You need to, be smooth, be easy on yourself, guys. Yes, so don't force yourself or don't try so hard. Whatever you're doing it, just do it with love. And this Feb month I'm seeing some, if you guys take what resonates, if you guys have been thinking about someone and you are not in communication with them, there is a chance you might get message or get a call or something from the person you have been missing. Okay, you're getting that communication coming towards you. And one more thing that I'm seeing is a lot of dreams might come to some people. Those dreams, those dreams will carry some kind of message, important message. So make sure you pay attention to those dreams or just have a dream journal, okay guys. And one more thing that I'm seeing is this month you're gonna be a little bit hasty or impulsive. Yes, it's okay. It's I'm seeing excitement, adrenaline rush, so that is beautiful, that's good, so it's fine. But before making any decision, make sure you do not be hasty. And one more that I'm seeing is some of you guys might meet up with some minor accidents. So make sure that, and we have Mercury retrograde coming, right? So yes, so make sure you be calm and composed. Do not meet with certain accidents or something. And I'm seeing technical issues as well. Maybe you're doing some work and you're on your computer and something happens and you're just stressed out. Just stressed out. Oh my god, what is wrong with this computer now? I'm unable to finish up my work, or maybe your phone. Okay, so something like that, I'm seeing the vision. This will happen with some people. And one more thing that I'm seeing is this Feb month, there is a chance that your intuition is going to grow stronger, as we have 7 of Cups and heightened intuition. So that is actually beautiful. And I'm also seeing maybe fire signs or water signs highlighted the most, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, take what resonates. Okay, but if you're a water sign, then yes. And one more thing that I'm seeing is, there might be a situation this Feb for you guys in which you will be confused, or you wouldn't know what to do, how to move ahead, or what to do, like how in some situation of your life, like something is going to happen this Feb which will make you feel like, I don't know how to go further from here. I don't know what to do from here. I'm unable to, move ahead. So what should I do? So at that time, you do not stress up much. Do not feel, I really have to make the decision now in the present. No, 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 no. Take your time as much as you can and surrender to the universe. Let the universe take care of it. You just be what you are. Show the world the real you. Definitely this month, you're gonna be like who you are. You're not gonna fake. And one more thing that I'm seeing is, you are gonna meet, or you because we have a heightened intuition and show the world real you together. I feel like there is a chance that this month, Feb, you'll able to identify in your life that who are fake and who are real, okay, who are pretending to be someone else when they are with you. And you'll identify, okay, because we have intuition as well. So now this is something which is important. And also I'm seeing that if you have any kind of goals or intentions to work towards, or if you have any goals to move ahead with, you're asked to stay patient. Just go step by step. Do not take the shortcut, okay. Be easy, be patient, take small steps, it's important, okay. Do not be impulsive with that, okay. And yes, one more thing, as I said before, a big thing is gonna come this Feb, some situation might arise that you would have to take a decision, but you'll not know what to do with that. So you're asked to just be how you are every day and let the universe take care of you. Just trust and surrender to the universe, okay. So pile one, this was your Feb month reading, okay. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do let me know in the comment section below if you liked it or not. Thank you, guys. Hey pile 2, if you have chosen this beautiful rose quartz, okay, now let's check how is this Feb month gonna be. So one thing that I'm seeing is a lot of playful energies is coming, a lot of energetic emotions flowing. So this Feb is gonna be the finish line for some of you guys, okay, and I'm seeing a lot of abundance, money, opportunities coming your way. And this is a chance, like Feb month is a chance that you have to crack it, guys. You need to crack it, okay. You need to show the world. It's more like, instead of showing the world, it's more like, embracing yourself and being yourself, letting yourself out there, okay. Because also I'm seeing this Feb month is gonna bring a lot of I'm seeing the visions of you guys laughing around and having fun, okay. This Feb month is gonna be very fun, very love, 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 love. Now love not in the romantic way, but yeah, for some of you guys it might mean in a romantic way. Some might have unions coming up because we have Four of Wands and King of Cups together. So if you are in a TF connection, there is a chance of union timeline being really near, okay. And yes, so yes, if you are involved with romantic partner or something like that, yes, definitely chance of love blossoming is there. But if yeah, love as in not only romantic way, I am saying that whatever you're gonna do, whatever you'll be doing in your day-to-day life or the routine or anything, you're just gonna love being you and love doing you, okay. You'll be very much in love with whatever you'll be doing, even if it's just cooking your meal, okay. It's just that you'll feel very much in love with doing whatever you want, okay. So this is beautiful. One more thing that I'm seeing is, if some of you guys want to start something, this is a big time that you need to do it. This is amazing time and you can start that because we have the energy is gaining momentum, okay. So definitely the speed is there. You need to move ahead if you want to move ahead, okay. And as we also have go the distance, right? So yes, you can start whatever you want to. And one more thing, as I said before, yeah, money is flowing in, and I'm seeing a lot of you guys hanging out with their family or friends or cousins or having fun. Maybe I'm seeing some of you guys bitching about someone or laughing out loud with your friends or cousins at night stay or something. I am seeing the vision, okay, for some of you guys, okay. And one more thing which is highlighted is spiritual or religious community of angel light card. Now over here, what does it say? Join with like-minded, wait a minute, yeah, join with like-minded people for friendship and increased spiritual growth, okay. So make sure you join or you hang out with people who are are in the same level of your vibration. Do not let that other vibrational people affect your energy. In the energy that you're vibrating, make sure you attract them only. You stay with them, you spend time with them so that you could learn something. Okay, so this is one thing which was highlighted. And we are seeing yeah, anything else? I'm seeing a lot of some of you guys maybe pranking someone or playing pranks is highlighted. Yes, because we have playfulness. And yes, a lot of fire energy is being highlighted here. So it doesn't really matter if you are a fire sign or not. It doesn't matter. It's just that this is your Feb month. It's gonna be fully abundant, happy, playful. I am seeing you are gonna embrace your inner child, your younger self. Your inner child is gonna come out, and you're gonna have fun. I'm seeing someone is gonna have a really good meal, which they always wanted to have, or it's like they are craving for some nice big meal from a certain place from a long time, and you have been thinking, I really want to eat that place, that special thing of that place, or I don't know. It's just that I'm seeing that vision of a person, or some of you guys, having a good meal. You always wanted to have that meal from that particular place. Okay, and I'm seeing some of you guys might go to trekking or traveling is highlighted, but definitely this is a big thing, guys. Feb month is a big thing for you, because I'm seeing that even in this we have Mercury retrograde. Okay, from Jan 30 to Feb 21 or something. I guess, I don't know. But yeah, this Feb we have Mercury retrograde. So this, looking at the cards, I feel like this is gonna be a good opportunity for you guys to start something new or to move ahead. Okay, because I'm seeing a lot of love, high vibrational energy, inner child energy coming out. So this is like you could manifest anything into reality if you put more love, and we already have high vibrational energies. So definitely, if you want to use this time in a very good way, just do it, because it's gonna be successful for you guys. Okay, I'm seeing some of you guys might be planning a birthday party for a family member of yours, or birthday party or some party. Okay, some ceremony or some party. Okay, and one more thing that I'm seeing is there is a chance someone wants to gift something to their family member. Okay, and you've been thinking, what should I gift them? And this is what I'm seeing in this Feb month. And yeah, this is it. So guys, pile 2, this was your reading for the coming month. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Do let me know in the comment section below if you liked it or not. Thank you guys. Bye. Hey pile 3, if you have chosen this beautiful tiger eye crystal, let's check how your Feb month is gonna be. So, what I'm seeing is there is a sense of loss happening. Instead of loss, I'm seeing that some of you guys might want to share something. There is something that you want to share, or you just want someone to listen to you. This month there is a chance you might be craving for someone who would just sit and listen to you instead of giving you any kind of advice. Just sit and listen. What am I thinking and what am I feeling? Okay, you're craving for that individual. For some of you guys, take what resonates. Okay, and some for some of you guys, I'm seeing that I'm seeing the vision that you are searching for a thing in your house or in certain area, in certain place. It's right in front of your eyes, but it just could be a small thing. I'm seeing a vision. Okay, maybe you are searching for a rubber band, or anything. Just anything, or any book. Okay, it's like you're searching for it everywhere, but it's just right in front of you, and you are unable to look for it, or something like that. Now this is a vision that I'm seeing. Anything else that I'm seeing is, there is a chance some of you guys might travel. And one more thing that I'm seeing is something has been completed, something has been done, some karmic cycle has been closed, or an aspect of your life has been completed. Okay, something has been done, something is completed, and now you don't know how to move ahead. Okay, you are hanged and you don't know how to go ahead, what to do now. There are a lot of opportunities you want to explore, but you don't know how to move ahead. So now this over here, one more thing that I'm seeing is a lot of you guys are thinking about the future in Feb, as you are thinking of how to move ahead, what to do, how to go ahead. So I am seeing we have here and now, and in the angels card we have be gentle with yourself, right? So over here, what am I seeing is do not think about the future. You are getting more anxious. So just stay in the present. You have completed something. Something is done in your life. Something has been over. Some bad thing just ended, or something is being done. You are asked to celebrate. You know, anything which happens in your life happens as per the divine's plan. If a door closes, celebrate the farewell, guys. It's important. Be grateful for whatever happened in your life. Send that love energy and thankful energy to the universe and celebrate your life, because something new is gonna happen, because we have believe in the impossible as well. Okay, so something new cycle is gonna be open. I'm sorry, I'm sleepy. Okay, so looking at this, I feel some of you guys might be sleepy, a lot sleepy this Feb month, a little lazy. But it's okay, because we have be gentle with yourself, right? You have been through a lot and need time to heal and recover. And we have transformation card as well. So a new thing is going to start this Feb. A new cycle is starting this Feb. Something has been completed recently or will complete within a few days, and you are asked to hang out with your friends, celebrate life, be happy, be exciting. Okay, do what makes you happy. And one more thing that I'm seeing is oh my god, some message channelized, and now yeah, yes, I got it. So some of you guys, you know, who are watching this video, as I said before, you are thinking about the future. Okay guys, yes, what to do, how to move ahead. So, and you have been rejecting yourself from some opportunities. You have a lot of opportunities in front of you, but there are certain opportunities that is going to be fruitful for you, but instead of moving ahead with those opportunities, you have been rejecting yourself from that. You might reject yourself from that in Feb month. I'm seeing you yourself rejecting. Okay, instead of letting that other individual who is going to choose or choose you for this suitable thing, you yourself are rejecting. Okay, now this is bad, guys. This is really bad. Stop rejecting yourself. Move ahead and have fun. Do not reject yourself. Okay, know your self-worth. It's important, you know, at least you won't regret in your life. Don't hold that regret. Okay, please do not hold those regrets. Move ahead. Do not reject yourself. And yes, this thing and anything else this Feb month is gonna bring for you guys. um I'm seeing that some of you guys might connect with Mother Earth, mostly, you know, just spending your time in a garden area or in nature, maybe hugging a tree or sitting just beside, you know, just under a tree. And I'm seeing some of you guys starting to write something. I'm seeing that vision that all of a sudden you'll have that energy to take a book and write it. I don't know if it's a novel that you want to finish up or you want to start, or if it's a journal, or if it's a dream journal, or if it's just a personal diary that you want to start. Something. Or maybe just art, okay, just painting or something, but you're just getting that energy suddenly, and you're just grabbing that pen or that brush and that book and something canvas, and doing it. Okay, embracing your inner child and your hobbies, which makes you feel loved and happy. This is beautiful. Do that. Okay. Now, I am seeing some of you guys might be blamed. Some blame is gonna come this Feb month, and you're gonna keep your mouth shut rather than taking stand for yourself. So don't do that shit. Take stand if someone blames you, because if your intentions are pure and if you did not do something of that kind, then just stand. Okay. One more thing, this is the other thing, and anything else that I'm seeing for this Feb month. I'm seeing some of you guys might go for shopping. Okay, now third pile has a lot of stuff going on this Feb month. Oh my god. So some of you guys might go for shopping, and I'm seeing a woman taking a red dress or something. I don't know, but yeah, definitely some of you guys are going for shopping and having fun. Maybe they are going with their sister, or maybe you're going with your cousin or your parents or your friends. It doesn't really matter. Just going for shopping. Okay, and I'm seeing your mother cooking a really favorite meal of yours this Feb, and you'll be happy that she did that. Maybe some sweet, I don't know, some sweet she'll be cooking, or something which is your favorite. Okay, you'll be happy. Some of you guys might have sexual drive really high this Feb month. Okay, and anything else that I'm seeing is yeah, that's it, I guess. So yes, pile 3, this was your reading for Feb. Do let me know in the comment section below if you liked it or not. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.